Start guys, today's class, today's session, fresh topic. So we'll start with the aggregate functions. Okay, let me just start with the aggregate function.
Sir, initial testing is there in manual testing is not, sir.
Yeah, manual testing in the last we take for 2 classes. Main thing is the ETL and BI report testing. Yeah, so we are starting our topic called as aggregate function. Okay, aggregate function. So there are how many functions? 5 functions. Do you remember that? Sum will give the total value. Max will give the what, guys? What max will give? What?
Maximum value.
See, always bracket is there. Can you see this bracket? If bracket is there, that means what? It is called a function. If bracket is not there, that means that is not a function. Maximum value. Min will give what, guys?
Minimum value.
Average will give what?
Average.
Average value.
Average value.
Average value. And count will give what, guys?
Number of the records. Total
Yeah.
number of the
It will count the what? The number of records.
record.
Mean will give the minimum value. This is very, very fine. What I told you, one more thing I told you, what is that? Count of star equals to count of, do you remember that? 0 equals to
Zero.
count of 1.
1 minus 1.
Count of X.
Anything. That means can I write is count of any number?
N.
Yes.
Any number.
Yes.
But if I write count of column means what, guys?
Column.
It
will
will
count the number
not
of records in
count
column.
the what? It will not count the null values. Am I clear, guys? It will not count what? Null values. Yes or no? Fine, guys. So these are the aggregate function which we are going to learn. Okay. Now, 1 second, guys. Now, let me open the software. This is the software. Fine. How to clear the screen? What is the command? CLSCR. Okay.
SCR.
Clear the screen. Now select star from the table name. Now I want the total salary. What I can write? Select sum of
Salary. Cell.
Now I want maximum salary. What I can write? Max of
Max
cell.
cell.
And if I want minimum cell, mean cell.
Minimum cell.
If I want average of cell, what I can write? Average cell.
ABT cell.
If I want count of number of records, I can write count to star. From which
Star.
table? EMP? Yes or no? Yes.
Mhm.
Now what is the thing is, now I want select sum of cell, comma max of cell, comma mean of cell, comma average of cell, comma count of star. Okay, count of star from EMP. Now I am grouping it, group by department number. So now what will happen? Total salary, I will group it. Okay, there is something called as group by. So group by function. What is a group by? Not function, it is a group by clause. Function will always have bracket, group by clause. Suppose there is a gender column. Now I tell what? Gender column, I tell male one side. Okay. And then what will happen? Female, another
Mhm.
side. That means what happened? There's a gender based on the this is a gender. Based on the gender, we are grouping male and female. Like that, I can group it based on what? Based on the group, based on the department number. So all the department numbers, suppose 10. So everything will be one group. 20. It is again another group. 30. It is another group. Like that, we can divide it into group. So now what will happen? Total salary for all the department. Suppose there's a department. What can be the groups here? Can you guess? How many departments are there? There's a department 10. Then what are the other department, guys?
20, 10,
10, 20, 30.
So there can be a group of what? And department 10 will be one group. Department 20 will be another group. Department 30 will be another group. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
If I write like this, what will happen? See, this is the total salary. Okay. This is the total salary. This is the total salary. This is the maximum salary. 5,000 is the maximum salary for which department? See, this is what department 10.
10.
Yes or no, guys?
Department
Yes. So
10.
this is the division for department 10. 3,000 I think is for department 20. Okay, and 2850 is for department 30. So this is the group which is made. Now see, I am not able to see the column, right? For which group the department is made. The grouping is done based on which column. So what I will do is I will write here department number. So now what will happen? Select department number, all these columns, okay, from the table, and then I am grouping it. Okay, nothing, just in the select clause, I have written that particular group. Now what will happen is clearly tells department 10. What is the maximum of total salary? This is the total salary. What is the maximum salary, minimum salary, average salary, and count of number of records for department 10. Similarly for department 20, similarly for department 30. Am I clear with this query, guys? Tell me. Any doubt, Monica? Your name is
No,
Monica,
sir.
right?
Yes, yes. Sir.
So Monica, tell me, you have any doubts in this query?
In count function, it's little confusing. Sometimes you put in star in between the bracket. Sometimes you can put the column name. So,
Yeah, so column name will not count the null values, right?
okay.
So you have to be very, very specific. If you're putting a column name, then it will not count the null value. So you should not put the
Okay.
column name only until and unless the requirement is like that, that you want the count of this particular column, as it will become a
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
So did you understood this query, Monica? This query
Yes,
tells what?
yes, sir.
What is this query telling?
Uh,
Department wise total salary, department wise
yes.
maximum salary, department wise what?
Minimum salary, average salary, and how many
Count of number of
records?
records, department
Number.
wise count. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is this query? This is telling what? Department wise, all these things. So if I tell you to write a query to get department wise maximum salary. So what will be the query? Can you just tell me? Department wise maximum salary.
Select
Hmm.
department number,
Hmm.
Comma salary,
Salary or maximum salary? Maximum salary. Then
maximum salary. Yes, from EMP.
okay,
That's
then,
it. Yeah,
then it
from
will generate
EMP.
error.
Sir, group by department number.
Okay, yes.
Group by department.
Group by what?
From
Department number. So
department
what is
number.
what is this query telling? We are getting department wise maximum salary. Am I clear, guys? Department wise maximum salary. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what will be the output of this query? Can you tell me the output? What
Sir,
will
you give the maximum salary department wise.
Department wise.
Yeah, Monica, tell me what will be the output? Values I want. What will be the output?
Department number
5,000.
10, 20, 30, and their department wise maximum salary.
So what is
and
the
group
maximum
I will
salary?
make the group.
What is the maximum salary for department 10?
It's 5,000.
5,000.
5,000. Then what is the maximum salary for department 20?
It's
3,000.
3,000.
And what is the maximum salary for department 30?
2,850.
This will be the output. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is a group by function? It is used to form a group based on the column name. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
See,
sir.
But it is coming ascending order.
no, that ascending, descending, leave that I will teach you separately. As of now, tell me what is group by clause. Someone will ask you what is group by. What you will tell? Group by is a clause which is used to group the data. First, you have to tell it is used to group the data based on what? Based on the column name. Suppose here the column name was department number. So you have to tell it based on a query. Suppose I want department wise maximum salary. You have to take an example. Suppose I want department wise maximum salary. So the query will be what? Query will be what, guys? Select department number, comma what?
And department
Max-
number.
Max
Maximum
of cell
salary.
from EAP, group by what? Group by
Department number.
department number. Fine, guys. Group by is also defined as it is used to aggregate the data and segregate the data based on the column name. It is used to aggregate and segregate the data based on the column name. Aggregate means what? It's just making the aggregation like what? Maximum, minimum, all those things. And segregating means what? Dividing it based on the column name. So this is also one of the definition. Many book follows this definition. So that is also correct. Aggregate the data means maximum, minimum, count and all. Aggregate. Segregate means what? Group it. So this is also one of the definition, simple definition. And this is also used. So you can tell any of the definition or you can tell both the definition. So this is what is the group by function, but always you have to explain it with the query. Is it fine, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
now
sir.
we will learn how to use group by. Okay, this is the simple definition. Group by used to form a group based on the column name. If I want department wise maximum salary, I will write the query, select department number, comma max of cell from EMP group by department number. Now see the rules. If I write here, select department number, comma max of cell from EMP, what will be the output of this query, guys? Tell me,
5,000.
guys.
Sir, it will give department number and max
Same,
of salary.
but
Maximum
without the
salary.
department number, it will come.
Monica, what do you think?
All the department number and all maximum salary. Maximum
and-
salary.
Okay, what Raj thinks? Raj has joined today. What do you think, Raj? What can be the output of this query?
Sir, 5,000, sir.
Okay. So this will generate an error. Okay, guys. But let me make it very clear. This will generate an error. Whenever you are using an aggregate function with a column name, it will not work. It will generate an error. Keep in your mind, all of you have given wrong answers. You will remember. Whenever you use an aggregate function with a column name, group by is mandatory. Group by is mandatory. See here. Else it will generate an error. What is the error? Not a single group function. Okay. So whenever you use a column name with an aggregate function, group by is mandatory. Am I clear with this rule? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. Or
What
we
is
can
it?
say with the aggregate function, we have to use group by function.
No. Why? I will
Right, yes.
write this query, right? Select max of
Mm.
cell from EMP. Will it work? Yes. I'll get the
Yes.
maximum salary, right?
Maximum, yes.
Problem is what? If you use a column
Column.
in with the aggregate function in the select clause, then what will
Mhm.
happen? Group by is mandatory. Am I able to understand? You
Yes.
did you understood this rule number 1? What is the rule? Can you just tell me what is the rule number 1 for group by? What is the rule? Tell me rule, everyone.
Sir, it is used for aggregate.
No. What is the rule number 1?
If you select any particular column,
Whenever we
with the
use
aggregate
a
function,
column in a select, okay, statement with an aggregate function,
aggregate
what will happen?
function,
Group
you have
by
to use
is
group by
mandatory.
mandatory.
Else what will happen? It will generate an error. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear with this rule? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if I write select department number, comma count of a star from EMP, what will be the output of this query? Can you tell me?
Error.
What will be the output of this query?
Error, sir.
Error.
It will
Errors.
generate an error. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me next rule. Select max of cell from EMP group by department number. What will be the output of this query? Yeah, Monica, guess.
Sir, you have to select department number 2.
No, what will be the output of this query? Tell me what I have to select. That is a separate thing. Now, what will be the output if I execute this query?
Error.
Maximum salary only will come, sir.
Maximum salary for what?
Based on department number. Just maximum salary. Just,
It will
Okay.
error, sir, I think.
What about Raj? What do you think?
Sir, I think error, sir.
Okay. What about Nikhil?
Sir, it will throw an error. Raj.
Yeah. So all of you are not wrong. Rakesh is somewhat right. See, what will happen is department number is what? 10. Again, it is 10. And what is the salary? Suppose I take one department. Suppose department number 10 is having salary. Suppose his salary is, this department number salary is 1000. This department number salary is what? 2000. So if I write, guys, a maximum salary from EMP group by department number. So what output I will get here? Can you just think? We'll get 2000. Are you able to understand? What is this query telling? This is telling give the maximum salary. Okay, we have given the maximum salary.
yes.
Based on what? Based on the department number. So what is the department 10? There's only one department, okay? Department 10. So what is the maximum value for department 10? That is 2000. If suppose there was one more department, suppose there was department 20, and here the salary was 5000. And again, department 20, the salary would be 7000. So now what will be the output? Monica, can you just think of this query?
7,000.
No, listen.
12,000.
Guys, what are you telling me? Are you understanding what is the query and what output I'm expecting?
Sir, 2000 and 7000.
Maximum salary of department 20.
The only department 20, department 10 maximum salary will not come.
Yes, both will come, sir.
Both will come. Then what will be the output here?
7000 and 2000.
That is what is the expectation, guys. Do you understand? Group by department number doesn't mean that you will just eliminate one department. No. For every department, what is the maximum salary? For department 10, what is the maximum salary, guys?
2,000.
2,000.
For department 20, what is the maximum salary?
2,000. And department 20 is 7,000.
So what will be the output?
So for
2000
department
and what? 7000.
7,000.
If suppose there was one more department, if suppose department 30 is there, again the salary here is suppose 3000. Again department 30 is there, his salary is 4000. So what would be the output?
4,000
4,000.
for department 30.
That means 2000, 7000 and what? 4000.
4,000.
4,000.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now this is the EMP table. So for EMP table, tell me the output. Let me just tell you. First write the EMP table so that you understand. Yeah, this is the EMP table. Now for department 10, what is the maximum salary? Can you just tell me?
There's so many.
5,000,
reports.
sir. 5,000.
Yeah, let me just make it in a proper way so that you can see.
Mm.
Yeah, now tell me for department 10, there are 3 departments. Which is the maximum salary? Here?
5,000.
5,000, sir.
For department
5,000.
20, what is the maximum salary?
3,000, sir.
And for
3,000.
department 30,
2850.
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah, for department 30, what is the maximum salary?
2850.
2850. Okay, fine. Just give me just guys 1 second. Yeah, fine. So now I want now the query is what? Select max of cell from EMP group by what? Group by department number. So what will be the output? What will be the output?
5,000, 3,000,
3000 and 2850.
and 2850.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now if I modify the query, I write like this, what will be the output? Select department number, comma, max of cell from EMP and then group by department number. So what will be the output?
Department number also
Department
included,
number
sir.
10, 20, 30 and their maximum salary.
Yes or no, guys?
Yeah, 30. Yes.
Yes or no? So what did you understood? What is the difference? What is this query and what did you understood from this query? And what did you understood from this query? See, What will be the output of this query, guys? What will be the output of this query? Monica?
Will give the maximum salary of each department from employee table.
I'll shoot you guys. How
Error,
many
sir,
times
error,
I'll tell?
error.
It will generate error, right?
Error, yes, sir.
Aggregate function with a column will give what?
Error,
Error, yes or no? If group by is not used, what it will give?
error, sir.
Error, sir.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So now, guys, tell me, here if you see, here if you see, what is the difference? Tell me. What did you understood? What did you understood? What is the rule here?
Oh,
What is the rule? If an aggregate function is used with a column, then group by is mandatory. Yes or no, guys?
yes.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
if a column name, if an aggregate function is used only in the select clause, then group by can be used in the, then group by can be done in the column name. Yes or no, guys? That
Yes, sir.
means I can group the data based on the column name. I can put any number of columns which need not to be mentioned in this select. But if I mention a column in this select, that must be present after group by. But if I take a column in the group by, that need not to be present in this select. Am I clear? Any doubts?
Sir, can you say once again?
See,
It's
if
confusing, sir.
yeah. If I take any column in the select, okay, that must be present after group by. Am I clear till this much? If I take any column in this select, that must be present after group by. Am I clear till this much? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Monica? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the first rule? Whenever a column is in the whenever a column is in the select statement, what will happen? It must be present where? Whenever a column is in the select statement with an aggregate function, group by is mandatory. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But rule number 2, group by is boss. Group by is boss. Group by, if I take a column, that did not to be present in the select. If a column is, remember like this, group by is the boss, just to remember, okay? If a column is taken in group by, that need not to be present in the select statement. Yes or no, guys?
Can you give examples, sir?
That means if I write the query like this, select max of cell from EMP group by department number. Will it work? Yes.
Yes, sir. Work, sir.
This will work. It will work. But if I write this query like this, select department number, comma, max of cell from EMP, then what will happen, guys? What will be the error? It will generate an error. So in simple, how we can tell? In simple, how we can tell? In simple words, we can tell as what?
Aggregate function is there.
Aggregate function can be used with the group by if you select the column name.
See, listen now. In simple words, if a column can be taken in group by, column, simple words you will tell, column can be taken in group by, okay? But if we take a column in select, group
Select
by
is
is mandatory.
mandatory.
Or we can tell that must be present after group by. But if we select a column in select, that must be present after group by. So if we take a column in the group by, or more simple I'm doing, if we take a column in the group by, if we take a column in group by, that need not to be present in select. But if we take a column in the select, that must be present after group by. That means group by is like a boss. If I take a column in the group by, that's completely fine. Okay. It is not required that I have taken in the group by the department number, then it should be present in the select. That is not mandatory. But if we take a column with the group by, if we take a column in the select with an aggregate function, then what happens? This column must be present after group by. Am I
Group by.
clear this?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
See, simple. If you take any column in the group by, that need not to be present in the select statement. It is not mandatory. But
Yes, sir. Yes,
if
sir.
you take a column in the select statement, what with an aggregate function, what is happening?
It must
That
be
particular
present
column must be present after group
after
by.
that group by. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are you able to understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I understood.
What about Monica?
Yes, sir.
So write me a query. I want the department wise count of the employees. Write down the query.
Say again.
Department wise count of the employees. Everyone write down this query in the chat.
Sir, this is correct.
Just now I told what? Whatever column you will take in the
Okay.
select statement must
Okay.
be present where? After group by. Yes or no?
Okay.
This is incorrect. Correct it. But your approach is correct. But just now I told the rule. Correct query, guys. Department wise count means what, guys? First I have to select which column?
Department number and their count.
Department number. Then what I have to take? How to take the Nikhil? Are you writing? Yeah, you have written. Then I have to take the count. So which function I will use? Count
I have
star. Yes,
written.
sir?
Star.
Yeah, I will use the count star from the table and then group it what? Based on the department number. Yes or no, guys? Yes, the simple query. Select what? Department number.
Department
Then I
number.
want the count of the employees. Count means what? I have to use the count function. So what I will write?
And star
Star from what? EMP. Then group by what?
Group by
Department number.
number.
Sir, without star we can use.
No, you cannot. You have to put something. You have, either you put a star 1, 2, 3, 4, or you have to put any column name. If you put column name, it will not count the null values. Else, how will you write count? Fine, guys. Now,
Sir, can we write as a count EMP number or E name also? Is that
yes. Yes. I told you, no, any column name you can take.
Okay.
but it will not count null values.
Yeah, but there's no null values in employee number column. We
Yeah,
write
yeah.
employee is there, then employee number will be there.
Okay.
So now, guys, my question is, did you understood what is a group by? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes.
group by? Is used to group the data based on what? Based on the column name.
Column
Yes or
name.
no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is where, guys? Where? Have you heard about where?
Conditional clause.
Filter condition for
Filter.
scalar data. Where is called as, if someone will ask you what is where, what do you have to tell? Where is a filter condition for scalar data. Scalar means what? One input, one output. Okay, scalar means what, guys?
One input, one output.
One output, one input and one output. Suppose I write where, okay, department number equals to 10. So whichever department numbers are there, that will come. Means how many, not one input, how many inputs we will give, so many outputs will come. So that is called as one input, one output. You can tell it in a better way. How many inputs we will give, same number of outputs will come. Suppose I write where department number equals to 10. So all the department numbers will come, whichever is the department number 10. I write where employee number equals to 7839. So the record corresponding to 7839 will come. Means whatever number of inputs we are giving, the same number of output we are getting. But there is something called as group data. What is group data, guys? Like group functions we have heard, no, sum, max, mean, average. What happened? Multiple input and how many output?
One output.
Only one output. Yes or no? See,
Sir.
only one output means what? There are so many salary. Okay. 1000, 2000, 200. Now I tell maximum salary. That means there are so many inputs. Now I want one output. So what will be the maximum salary? 200. Yes or no?
200.
Yes, sir.
So how many inputs we are giving?
Many
Multiple
inputs.
inputs. Multiple inputs. But how many output we are getting?
One.
One. Are you able to understand? So group function means what happens in group functions is there will be multiple inputs and there will be only one output. Remember, there will be only one output. The scalar is not like that. Scalar, what will happen, guys? Scalar data or scalar function, there will be one input and one output. Suppose I take, have you heard about mod function? It gives the reminder, okay? For if I do mod 2, so what is the reminder? Reminder is 0. So one input, one output. Are you able to understand? So ultimately what happened, guys? You have to understand group function means what? Multiple inputs, one output. Scalar means what? How many inputs we will give? Those many outputs we will get. Suppose I take department number 10. So all the department number 10 will come. If I take employee number this, so particular employee number will be displayed. Am I clear till this much? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now this is fine, guys. This is just for your understanding. Now I have grouped the data. Now there's a filter condition. So where is not a filter condition for grouped data? Are you able to understand? Is this for non-grouped data? If someone will ask you what is where, what you have to tell? Where is a filter condition for, in a simple words you can tell, is a filter condition for non-grouped data. Non-grouped data means the data which has not been grouped. What is grouped data? Multiple inputs, one output, and non-grouped or scalar data means what? Same number of outputs as we give the input. So non-grouped data. Fine, guys. Now, what we have to do, guys, is now having is a filter condition for grouped data. Grouped data. That means what? I wanted department-wise maximum salary. Can you tell me the query, Monica? Select department number,
Department number,
comma,
maximum cell
from
EMP.
group by
and
what?
Group by
Department number. This is department-wise maximum salary. Now the expectation is department-wise maximum salary having maximum salary greater than 2000. Okay, so what will be the query? Select department number, comma, max of cell from EMP, group by what? Group by department number having what?
Maximum salary.
of
Max salary
greater than what? 2000.
2000.
So having is for grouped data, guys. Here, this is a grouped data, right? Maximum salary is a group function. Multiple inputs,
Yes.
one output. So what I have to write? Having maximum salary
Having.
greater than 2000. So what will be the output of this query? What do you think? Yeah, Monica, what will be the output? Department wise. Department wise what?
Maximum
Maximum salary.
salary.
And
Where
that salary should be what?
Greater than 2000.
2000.
That
So
salary
only
should be greater than what, guys? Greater than 2000.
3000. Then
2000.
only one output will come.
2000.
2000, yes.
Two
So that
output.
means,
Three.
yeah. So what is department wise maximum salary we have, right? Here, this is
Yes,
this
sir.
is the department wise
All
maximum.
three records will come.
All three.
All three records will come, yes. But if I write
Yes.
department wise having maximum salary greater than 3000, then what output will get?
Only one output.
Only one.
Which one? Which one?
Department 10.
5000. 10.
5000.
Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
See, having is written after group by. Generally, 99% of the people will know having is used after group by. You also tell having is used after group by. But I am telling you, having can be used before group by, but it is more logical to use after group by. See, I'm telling you guys, having is 99% of the people knows and 99% of the queries are written. Having will be used after group by, okay? And where will be used before group by. And but the reality is having can be used before group by, but we generally don't use it because it is not more logical. It is more logical that first we have grouped the data and then we are putting the filter condition. So having is used after group by, and where is used where, guys? Where is used before group by. We say group by, everyone will ask, guys. If it is a SQL interview or you're working with SQL, every time you will require. So be very crystal clear in the concepts. So where is used where, guys? Before group by or after group by? Before group by. Having is used where, guys? After group by. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what I will do is I want department wise maximum salary, having maximum salary greater than 3000. Tell me the query, Monica. Select department number.
Department number.
Maximum.
Maximum salary from EMP.
Group by.
Group by department number.
Having what?
Having
Maximum
salary.
Maximum salary.
Salary greater than 3000.
Only one department has come. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So see, having can be used before group by, guys. Just let me just show you here. We are using before group, after group by. We can use before group by also.
Sir, where and having both can be used in a single statement. It
Yeah,
also depends on the question. Right?
Yeah, I'll show that. See, now see here, what I have done, what is the change from this query to this query? Just tell me that.
Having maximum salary is before group by.
Having maximum salaries before you group by, here having maximum salaries after group by, yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So will this query execute?
Yes, sir. It will.
Yes, sir. It will.
Yes, I told you, it can be used. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It can be used, but it
Yes.
is more logical to use what? After group by.
After
Yes or no,
group
guys?
by. Yes.
Now I want department wise maximum salary, and the maximum salary should be greater than 2000 and excluding department number 10. So the query is what, guys? Query is large query. If you write this query, you understood everything. So now you have to tell me, write a query to find department wise maximum salary, having maximum salary greater than 2000, excluding department number 20. Okay. So now, yeah, help me. How to write the query? Tell me. Tell me, guys, query. Department wise maximum salary.
Department
Select
number,
department number.
maximum salary.
That's all. Select department numbers.
Comma maximum.
MAX, tell me max, then what?
Max salary. Max salary. Where department
No,
number.
no, maximum salary. First, you have to select it from a table, right?
Okay. Yes.
So what will be the query? From?
Where? From
From
EMP.
EMP.
First, you have to select it, right? Where will not come
Yes.
before from. Yes,
Okay,
not tell
from
me.
EMP. Where the department number not equal to 20.
Not equal to 20. Then?
Yes.
Then?
And group by.
Group by department number having
Having what?
Max cell.
max,
sal-
yeah, maximum
Greater than
salary
2000.
greater than 2000.
That's all, guys.
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So now, let us write it then. Select, now tell me again, select department number, comma,
Maximum cell
max of cell,
from
Maximum
EMP.
salary
From
from
EMP.
EMP.
Where?
Department
where
number,
Department number.
not equal to 20.
group by what?
Group by
Department number having maximum salary greater than 2000.
having maximum salary
Greater than what?
greater
2000.
than 2000.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you will write a query to find the department wise total salary. Department wise total salary excluding Smith having total salary greater than 1000. Write down the query. All of you in the chat. Department wise total salary excluding Smith having total salary greater than 1000. This is the table. If you write this query, you have understood the group by. Monica has written, huh?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Very fast, very fast. What is that? What you have written here in the last statement? Wait, let me just copy. Having what? Where is the having condition? You have written just department number having.
Uh,
Write down again. I am, scrolling down that you have written anything down or what?
yes, sir. Oh,
You have just written having, because of you, I am scrolling down.
sorry, sir. I just missed
Right,
that part.
right again.
I thought I wrote. Sir, it's not coming up. Even I am writing after that. I don't know why it's cutting my chat.
Okay, tell me what will be the query after having?
Or having a sum of sal greater than 1000.
Yeah, great, correct.
Yes, I wrote that time also, but I don't know why it's cutting that part.
Rakesh, what are you writing? Total salary, then max of sal. Did you understood the query?
It should not
Yes, sir.
happen, but
How the total salary will come? You will write here total. What is the total function? First tell me.
Sorry, sir. I forgot.
And then you are taking your total, you are taking max. What are you writing? I am not able to understand. Nikhil, where is your query? Raj, where is your query?
Sir, I am writing, sir, unable to understand the query. That's why little bit time.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. Nikhil, why you not understanding? Raj is first day, that's fine. Why you are not able to understand? Total salary is what, guys? Sum of salary. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Departments wise means what? Select department number. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Then Rakesh, you write down the correct query. Then I will proceed.
Yes, sir.
All of you try. Are you writing, Rakesh? Are you writing, Nikhil?
Yes, sir. Writing.
Yes, sir.
Right, Raj. Try, just try. Give a try. Did you wrote, Rakesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. I think this statement is not getting visible. That's fine. Nikhil and Raj, now you both tell me how to get the total salary.
Sir, select sum of salary.
And department wise, what is the query? Select department number,
Sum of salary group by
cell from, first of all,
From
from.
EMP.
from EMP.
Then
group
group
by
by what?
Department.
Number.
This
Department.
department wise total salary. Now I want the total salary to be greater than 2000. Then what will be the query? Select
department sum of salary from EMP group by department number having sum of salary greater than 2000. Having sum of salary greater than 2000.
Now I tell you to exclude the department number 10. Then what will be the query?
Sir, in that query I have
Department number sum of cell from EMP. Then what I have to write here? Where what?
Where?
Department number not equals to what?
Not equal
10.
to 10.
That's all. From before group by you will write the where condition. If I don't want Smith, then Smith will come from which column? Ename column. Where
Ename.
ename not equals to what?
Smith.
Smith.
That's string. Under
That's all.
quotation.
Simple query. That's all. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I reuse having before also?
Yes, sir.
Before
we can
group by?
use.
Yes, sir, you can, but logically it is after.
Logically, it is more better to use
More
after
better than
group.
use after
After
group by.
group by.
So where is used when?
Before
Before
group by.
group by.
And where having is used when?
Both
After group by.
group by.
After group by. That's all. That's all. Don't tell all those things. Tell where is used before group by. Having is used after group by. Having is filter condition for grouped data. Where
Grouped
is
data.
filter condition for non-grouped data? They will ask you, what is the difference between where and having? It's very simple. Where is a filter condition for non-grouped data? Having is a filter condition for grouped data. Having is used after group by, and where is used before
Before
group
group by.
Before group
What
by.
is rule of group by? Whatever column we will take in this select, what happened? Must be present after group by.
Group by.
But whatever column we will take after group by, what will
It
happen?
can be present before also.
Need not to be present in the
Need
select
not to
state.
be present.
Yes, if you want, you can
Yes.
take. If you don't want, you cannot take. That is not a mandatory item. But if you take a column in this select, that must be present where? After.
After group by.
Am I clear till this much, guys? Tell me yes or no. What is group by? Group by is used to group the
Group the
data
Group the
based
data.
on
based on the column name.
Column.
Or it is also defined as aggregate and segregate based on the column name. This is group by clause. So now tell me the select syntax. What is the select syntax? What I taught you on select. First, select whatever column, suppose column 1, column 2. If I want all the column, I can write star. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then what is the next keyword I take? What is
Aggregate
the next?
condition.
From the table name.
From.
or-
First of all, from. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
From, then table name. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Then what is the
And
next
then-
syntax? Then what is the next syntax?
Condition where.
There is a where
Where.
condition.
Where whatever I want to put the condition.
Filter condition.
Yes or no, guys?
Group. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then
And
next
group
is what?
Group by.
by.
Group by
Whatever
and
column name.
column.
And then
Yes, sir.
last is what, guys?
Having.
Having.
Yes or no,
Followed by-
guys?
Yep.
And the last statement we will learn tomorrow is what? Order by. This is the syntax. Order by is always used in the end of any SQL statement. Once we will learn order by, then your your entire select statement will be over. Fine. Before I close, I just want to show you one thing. So now if I take select department number, comma, ename, comma, employee number, comma, sum, comma, max of cell, from EMP. Now tell me, if I put group by, what are the things I will have to put? Department number, e-name,
E-name.
and employee number.
Maximum.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See,
By
aggregate function.
plus-
See, aggregate function we did not need to be taken after group by. Okay. But
Yes,
yes, this is wrong, guys. Group by it will be. But whatever column we will take, that should be present after group by. Are you to understand? Aggregate
Yes,
function did not to be present in after group by. Okay. So let me just write down group by what? Department number,
number,
e-name.
name.
So how the
E-name.
grouping will happen? They are taking multiple columns. Can you think? See, there are 14 records coming. It's not now only 3 records are coming, right? That means grouping is done based on all these 3 columns. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
It is taking a unique combination of maximum salary for the particular department, for the particular name, for the particular employee number. So all the 14 records has come. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if group by is used for multiple column, then group by will be done for the multiple column. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want department wise maximum salary and also I put here employee number. Now what will happen? Maximum sal from EMP. Now what will happen? Meenakshi, no, your name is Meenakshi. Yeah, Meenakshi. Tell me what will happen now? Department number, employee number. How many outputs will get? Yeah, tell me.
All the 14.
All the 14 records. Why? Because now the grouping is
Because-
not done based on the department wise maximum
Department.
salary. Now it is happening what? Based on the
Based on employee
department
number.
wise and the employee number. That means
Employee
these
number.
employee numbers are unique values, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this 20 and this 7369 is a unique combination. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Based on that, what is the maximum salary? It is 800. Yes or no? So it has come. Are you able to understand?
Yeah.
So
So
that
can you
means,
say again?
yeah, I'll show you again so that you can understand. Okay. Easy way. This is employee number 1. This is employee number 2. This is employee number 3. Now here the salary is suppose 1000. Here the salary is again 1000. Here the salary is again 2000. Now this is suppose department number 10. This is department number 10. This is department number 20. So if I tell department wise maximum salary, what will be the output, guys? Department wise maximum salary, what will be the output? What is department wise maximum for department number 10? What is the maximum salary? Can you just tell me?
1000.
1000. What is department number 20? What is the maximum salary?
2000. 20
2000.
and
Yes or no,
2000.
guys? Yes. Now, suppose for department 10, suppose there is one more salary. Let us make it 500. Okay. So that clarity is there. Fine. Now, this is department wise maximum salary. Okay, fine, guys. Now, if I tell department wise maximum salary, this is the output. Now the question is department wise and department and employee number wise maximum salary. Now the query is different. What is the query? Query is department number and employee number wise maximum salary. What will be the output, guys? Department number and employee number wise maximum salary. What is the department number? Department number 10
10.
and employee number 1. Is it a unique combination? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Are you able to understand? Yes.
Yes.
Suppose it is based on my group, Vikram's groups. That's fine. But if I tell Meenakshi and Vikram's group, that means not 2 people are making a unique combination like that. Here, department 10 and 1 is making a unique combination. Now, department 10 and 2, is it a unique combination? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
This is again a unique combination because department 10 and 2 is a unique combination. Yes. Department 20 and 3 is a unique combination. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when it is a unique combination, then the grouping is happening based on the unique combination. For department 10, employee number 1, what is the maximum salary? It is 500. Are you able to understand? Yes. suppose a record would be there 1, and here I write the salary as 600, and here I write the department number 10. Now tell me what will be the output if I tell department wise and employee number wise, department number wise and employee number wise maximum salary. So department number 10, 1, department number 10, 1. So for these two combination, there will be only one result, right? Because
Yes.
department 10, 1, department 10, 1. Now this is a same combination. For this combination, what is the maximum salary? What is the maximum salary, guys?
600.
600. So what
600.
will be the output here? This case, 1.
1
600,
and 600 and department number 10.
Then what is the next output? 2.
2,
Then
1000, department number
1000.
10.
10. Then what is the next output? 3.
3,
2000. Then
department number 20.
are you able to understand? Yes or no, guys? That means whatever number of columns we have taken in this select, okay, all those will be treated as a unique combination. Am I able to understand you guys? Yes or no? Rakesh, are you understanding?
Sir,
Are you there, Rakesh?
Yes.
Are you able to understand, guys? Yes or no? Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is multiple conditions when we use in group by? What happens? When we use multiple columns in group by, what will happen? That multiple columns
Will select.
will be treated as a group by. Are you able to
Yes.
understand? Multiple columns taken in group by. Okay. Grouping will be done. Grouping will be done what? Based on the multiple columns. Yes or no, guys? Multiple columns. Am I clear, guys?
So this one you tell again.
Huh?
Multiple
want-
columns.
Yeah, multiple columns. If you're taking 2 columns, then they based on the 2 columns. If you're taking 3 columns, then grouping will be done based on the 3 columns. If you're
Okay, sir.
taking-
Okay, so which are the common? It will.
Yes,
The unique ones.
whichever the unique ones. Okay. This
Okay, sir, okay, sir,
employee,
unique
Will
one.
select all those.
this is department number, this is employee number, this is the salary. Department number 10, employee number is 1, salary is 1000. Now department number 10, employee number is 2, and salary is what? Salary is suppose 1000. So 2000. So what will happen is this 2 is a unique combination. Yes or no? 10 and 1 is a
Yes,
unique
sir.
combination,
Yes,
or
sir.
10
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Tell me. 10 and 1 is a unique combination. 10 and 2 is a unique combination or not?
Not, sir.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So if there is one more, suppose 10 and then 1, and then there is something called as 4000. So now tell me 10 and 1 is it a unique combination or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Now what will
Both
happen?
are-
This is a group. 10 for 10 1, what is the maximum salary? For 10 1, what is the
4,000.
maximum salary? 4000. Yes or no?
4,000 will be maximum.
See, thing is that you have to understand like this. There is a modeling show, okay? So a boy went, okay, like Brad Pitt, and he got a prize. He's very handsome. Okay, he's very handsome. Now Angelina Jolie went. She is also very beautiful. She also got a prize. But if it is a couple modeling show, okay, then what will happen? We cannot tell that Angelina or Brad Pitt or Hrithik Roshan, like that we cannot tell. We have to see a combination, okay? The overall, the combination, the couple is looking beautiful or not. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Are you able to understand? Now the grouping will be done what? Now the judgment will be done based on the
Based on
couple.
both. Couple.
Both.
Both.
You have to think like that. Both as a couple, the prize is what? Best couple prize. It is not like what? Best male or best female. The prize is not like that. The prize is best couple prize, because there are 2 combination. If it is 3 combination, best trio prize means best 3 people together. 4 people, best 4 people together. Are you able to understand? That
Yes, sir.
time it is not based on the individual identity. It becomes a group for multiple columns. So you always have to think both of them people. Okay. if the two people are doing a modeling, so both as a couple, they are looking beautiful or not. It's not that for the one person is very beautiful and one person is not that much, then they will not get the prize. They will get the prize only both of them are good looking. So like that. So here the combination will be what? Based on the multiple columns.
Multiple
Both the
columns.
yeah, both the column will be considered. It is not that department wise maximum salary, then only this particular column will be considered. No, it is based on what? The combination of columns. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine, guys,
Yes.
practice these queries. We'll meet tomorrow at 8 p.m. and we'll learn the duplicate query, which is very important query. Every interview they will ask how to find duplicates in a particular column. Tomorrow sharp 8 p.m. We'll meet. Any doubts, guys? You can WhatsApp me anytime. That's all, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye.
You
Thank you,
too.
sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
See you.